Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this project share. I've made this small folio for craft&you design YouTube channel, and you will find a step-by-step tutorial for this on that channel. I'm going to link the video at the end of this one and in description box below the video, so you can check it out. I shared the measurements, and I hope you will be able to follow that tutorial as well. So basically this one is from 12 by 12 sheet of paper plus some elements which I cut out and placed on the front, some gems. Once you open it, there is like a pocket, and I've got two tags and this little piece which you can use to decorate something. I've got this I used this tag to create like a belly band which holds this little envelope which I made from vellum, and lots of beautiful elements I cut out from that collection. And there's some flowers, some animals, some birds, a lot of different elements which you could use to decorate your project. So let me put this one away. I just love making those vellum envelopes. I think they are really cute and they look really pretty, and they look really nice with those papers. So that's this side. Then in the middle there's this pocket with this like a space to write a message for someone, and you can put it inside it, and it looks really pretty. Ooh. So that's this side, and on the other side I've got another belly band, but I didn't use any of the die cuts. I just used a scrap of paper from the same collection. And there's another envelope made of vellum and more of those beautiful elements, and there are some tags as well. So we've got that scene, we've got the snowman, we've got the snow queen. There's this beautiful Arctic fox, some poinsettias, this cat with a hat on, another cat, owl, another tag, robin, and some flowers as well. So let me put it back. So I hope you like this project, and if you really want to see how I made it, I would love you to pop over to craft&you design YouTube channel and check it out. And then on this other side I've got more elements. So we've got this beautiful tag, another two pieces with the skiing and snowball fight, and this beautiful snow queen. So this is such a nice project, and I think it's so nice to create something, especially if you want to send a happy mail. So I was thinking it would be nice to give it away, actually, because I did a little giveaway not that long time ago, and I'm planning to do the same with this one. So I'm still not sure when this video will be released, because it depends on when they will share my project. So I will only release that video once that brand will share the project on their social media. So I was thinking, if you want to win this, comment below the video, and if it would be nice if you would share this video on your social media. I don't have that much time to check all of that, but yes, especially if you are subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to enter. Of course, if you like something like this and if you like this collection. So yes, and I think, let me think, a random date, I think 10th of November until midnight. You've got that time to comment below, to like. If you are a new subscriber, please comment under 5 different videos, and of course subscribe. But if you are my a subscriber already, just comment below this one and share if you want to. I'm not going to pressure anyone. So thank you so much for watching. If you've got the time to watch my video on craft and new design YouTube channel, hop over there and you can, if you like it, you can comment over there as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day and happy crafting, everyone. Bye for now.